Chief Justice. Chief Justice, I believe that the court can do better. We cannot sit in Ghana, not yet the case about court. Not a judge will tell the prosecutor, I am adjourning the case for 1 month. Sebio, we are not in the animals kingdom. Sebio, say, oh, a judge, na untumintina case ho, and the case no, na utumi a call say, you are adjourning the case for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then you are not ready to be a judge.
Nessa Bakusenim say, judges no dates among the mano. Go to the records and find out how judges no almost city on these high profile political cases, no, the way they have speed up. Chairman want to be case, no, the speed at which the judges are going. I thought that she will be applauded.
Paid? Are you not getting paid by the state? A dear Ampaw na ukoye for 1 month. In Ghana, a judge can postpone a case for 3 weeks. For 1 month, and a case that can take 6 months to solve, no, a judge will sit on that case for 2 years. That needs to stop. And I'm pleading with the Chief Justice.
They have speed up. Chairman want to be case, no, the speed at which the judges are going. I thought that she will be applauded. But you come and sit down, stupid. As stupid as you are, we use the word. KevinTaylor, you are so stupid enough. You brought Chairman want to be case to demonstrate say the judge is delaying.
F00l lawyer Maurice Ampaw a clash with KevinTaylor na ni na no ye warning na KevinTaylor e de abre Chief Justice Paul Bafuboni say onhwe na on speedy up process in the judiciary system. Now F00l name say when it comes to Ghana and judiciary system utumi court mo be hwa ka asem ne aka say court next month na waba ebi utumi ka court 2 months time na waba ebu to me catch us a 3 months time na mwaba ebu o mo to mu say case we betumi the 2 weeks e di case no mana ye na ye 2 asheda eno na KevinTaylor ba be kaseti endie all the strong warning na kwama Paul Bafuboni say new Chief Justice ejuma na ye di amane no ye de man say enyo man enkoyie no omra no be ye no reforming na sansem we a KevinTaylor ba be kan ya all the chairman wutumi din be mu no akwakọ trigger ama lawyer Maurice Ampaw ono so ababonte ababe kasa na lawyer Maurice Ampaw utie ni nsem o kan se ebufo kwan so no we dwa KevinTaylor se sebe KevinTaylor onjin oni miansa nchem Paul Bafuboni na dofo enkomo ni very interesting me know eba be ko just mu answer ebe ko ye nsem mu no me ka so ye new viewer na subscribe to your channel we ya me ejo so be subscribe like it charge your comment ni mu share video no na ma foforo into me enhwe enti KevinTaylor ewo ni live video mu send strong message bi e de ma Chief Justice Paul Bafuboni say kwanya judiciary system no kon ono hunu se nkoye onhwe no onye bibi mfa ho na okasa no de chairman wutumi dimbem kire mu se chairman wutumi case no ya chedodo also munye ne ntem so mbe jeli na no mo jeli no sansem we a KevinTaylor bekan ye no ene ko trigger eye lawyer Maurice Ampaw na say na KevinTaylor edi nkomo.
Chief Justice, I believe that the court can do better. We cannot sit in Ghana, not yet the case about court, not a judge will tell the prosecutor, I am adjourning the case for 1 month. Sebio, we are not in the animals kingdom. Sebio, say, oh, a judge na untumintina case ho, and the case no, na utumi a call say, you are adjourning the case for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then you are not ready to be a judge. I think, with all due respect, there are too many lazy judges in Ghana. And for a very long time, we have allowed some judges in Ghana to get away with murder because at this point, you know, they call cases at their own pace. Case where a due point to be, it needs to be moving. Yes, the judge say, well, postpone the case for 1 month. Now, postpone the case for 1 month. Are you not getting paid? Are you not getting paid by the state? A dear Ampaw na ukoye for 1 month. In Ghana, a judge can postpone the case for 3 weeks. For 1 month, and a case that can take 6 months to solve, no, a judge will sit on that case for 2 years. That needs to stop. And I'm pleading with the Chief Justice. If you really want to set an exemplary or you want to be an exceptional Chief Justice, I know you've been talking about the tribunals and the fast track court, but we need the judiciary to also help because it is looking like the judiciary is becoming too lazy. Majority of our judges in our court, with all due respect, they are lazy. They don't take their work serious. How can you sit on a high-profile case and tell me that you are taking an adjournment for 1 month? you are taking an adjournment for 3 weeks. And what do you want the people to do? So the slow pace of cases and all these politicians becoming bold, walking in Ghana with their chest out, thinking nothing will happen to them is because of some of our judges. Because some of our judges are the ones delaying the cases. They are basically not working. We are paying them for doing no work. America Kroben Ababa so I say judge be a postponing case for 1 month. A hefa na Ababa e wo krom ha. Judge Becker say, me nyare, yanji me to hospital bed, so me postpone the case for 3 months. And one case, judge to be postponing 7 times, 8 times, 10 times. Are we paying the judges or they are paying us? And we need to look at that critically because Chief Justice, with all due respect to you, it is looking like you are losing a grip. It is looking like the judges are becoming more lazy. Every single day, you encounter myself, with all due respect, there are some very good judges in Ghana who are doing diligent job. They sit on cases, they run the cases. Most of them are lazy. They are lazy and they are making the cases not to flow. And the MPP for the BFL say they have a case because a judge, a high profile case, so a high profile political case that is time sensitive, and the judge will tell you, say, I'm going on medical leave for 1 month. What the heck? Where are we living? Is that a nation that we can be sitting in and expecting people to be prosecuted? So, Chief Justice, enough. Get your hand on the steer and get going. Get the job done. You have nothing to lose. If the judges cannot move the cases fast, move them and get new judges who can move the cases fast. Because it is looking like our problem as a nation now is the slow pace of these judges in our various courts. The high courts, that is where the traffic is. Judge to me tonight, so I can go back tomorrow. I'll come and show you cases and how judges have postponed cases. Or maybe some of the cases. And you ask yourself, say, so what is all this postponement about? You ask yourself, are they able to meet 1 week? A judge can postpone for 3 weeks. Why? And that judge is taking salary every day, sitting in a car, getting all the perks, and then sitting on us as a judge. What is your job? What is your job as a judge? With all due respect to the judges, I respect all of you, but the laziness now creeping into our judiciary is getting out of hand. It is what is energizing these politicians to keep doing what they are doing. Because politicians need to feel say, I don't need to do anything. If I see the judge, if I'm able to convince that judge, I will make sure 10 years, court, jail. And that is what we are seeing here. How can Attorney General come to court? A high profile case.
Instead of us, what in some KevinTaylor can. Utumi say KevinTaylor, or they want to meet any example. A same way, and you want to mean kwa. Utumu say, Mammy, I could say one more case in Akahubi. To me, she said dates be crowded now to us out you when to me, cocotina case when there. Utu carne a catcher say, Mosam Brabium, between 2 billion, won't tell 2 billion. Yeah, my own foul fununco. In your boy, my dream, I won't ask ye. Ni now cost what judiciary system no more. And then I mark KevinTaylor be fire this way. Now, after say KevinTaylor be fire a Chief Justice no. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw ababe kasa mu say lawyer say KevinTaylor ante the way I'm running ye jumasi a onkonko kan article bi ende o kire no baby onkonko kan mu say KevinTaylor sebi oye foolish oni mi answer wejimi na rofo do this point I know say the matter chop hot. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw edi ni nkomo no kire a kwa mo faso di chairman to me case no hu say it is too fast to cry man. Arofo en common interested yentie and someone lawyer Maurice Ampaw de betu dwande odi egu KevinTaylor so
say judges no date among them no go to the records and find out how judges no almost city on these high profile political cases no the way they have speed up. Chairman want to be case no the speed at which the judges are going. I thought that she will be applauded. But you come and sit down, stupid, as stupid as you are. We use the word, KevinTaylor, you are so stupid enough. You brought Chairman to this case to demonstrate say the judge is delaying. Why do you want to be unfair to the judge? What about the judge now here? The way the judge is so determined to finish the case, me will be that say a criminal matter within some few days of hearing, no, has come to a stand where some of case this same, there are so many criminal cases 2, 3 years, 4, 5 years is pending. Appendi. What about the Supreme Court cases? Tokonu has filed and is still pending. Even a lot of cases are pending. About cases they did 1 year, 2 years. Maybe divorce case about 3, 4, 5 years. KevinTaylor comes here and start doing the agenda, blaming judges for the failure. Listen to me. Our judges, momento ketemu. Only the ordinary Ghanaians like me and you. Number 2, Oko school no, and your podcast party behind the school. Number 3, lawyers now form judicial almost swear oath to defend the constitution, swear oath to defend the laws of the land. Only fidelity is the law. They are there to apply the law. They don't fear who. They are not there to do the bidding of any person. Our judges there no cannot be remote controlled by any political party. They swore to do good to all manner of persons. KevinTaylor, go and read Article 125. No one says justice belongs to the people. It doesn't belong to the NDC. Stupidity. What doing here, Jumano? KevinTaylor, what doing in here, Juman? And I'm going wrong on you because we say Jimmy Abataho, what Jimmy do? So you begin to attack the judiciary just because you think that you have an agenda. Say oral should be jailing people. Stupidity. Who told that anybody can jail anybody if the person is innocent? What did I say? Chairman, who to be case who refer to the judge? You know, this is a case. Chairman, to me, I filed a submission of no case, and the judge have given 10 March for ruling. Don't be a judge here. Hey, KevinTaylor, someone bodama don't know how much it takes, what it takes to do a ruling. Hey, ultra judgment, it is like ultra exams. What KevinTaylor has one co school. Ultra exams are ultra exams. We are brown bread to write one judgment. Do you know what it takes? This is a podcast help of a case. The judge needs time to look at the details of the case, look at the details of the law. Chairman, to be a fairly 40-page submission of no case. Do you want the judge to just come and throw it out? The issues are, Chairman, to me, lawyers are raising in court. I wait here matter so a legality. So who attorney general who the case are court? Now who told KevinTaylor say attorney general has that attorney general complain about any delay? No. The attorney general will applaud the judges who are handling those high-profile political cases because the judges there are being honest and being fair. They are not allowing any delay. They are but KevinTaylor is there in a public media, preparing the mind of the other Ghanaian, preparing the mind of NDC foot soldiers, preparing the mind of oral members that attorney general onyeshi na judges no na omo delay. Now all of a sudden the certain monitor this certain digi motem say they mute telephone no and this thing will not wash in a democratic state. No, we will not allow you people to bully the judges. Now, when you take a case to court, tell me who can be your confor court you produce evidence. You produce evidence. Attorney General the case Abdona court. Who Attorney General now who the court? Who charge Obia for criminal offense? Now who go court? Now I know what you may when to me present facts well. When to me put your issues well. When to me advancing your case well, especially when your witnesses are too could not do the do. So without prejudice to say, to be case witnesses are court, they are giving hearsay evidence. And away catching me. Assignment of documents, there's no evidence of documentation of assignment. There's no evidence of participation, and the issues as to be lawyers have raised in their submission of criminal case. Our judges this time to go through, so nobody should stampede them. And who the case Boniko Kota, the way this is Bob Bonnie looked at the law and look at previous Apache case. The judges will also look at the law and apply the law. Nobody is afraid of anybody. Leave the judiciary for them to work. And then mukramu abemu mu abemu krano mu judges that time MPP mu go for yes say mu a court they trust the system. They are believing the judges to do what is right and what is fair and what is law. The law is the law. More opposition, more judges attempts our opposition, more babemu still. Because I must set him judiciary. I confirm with CG Abba. I appoint more than 60 judges. Abba. And judiciary is in your hands and you said it's in your pocket. Move to Dokono, Yakaya put in the buy. Judges are appoint to money. Nobody will to prevent. So if you have brought your own Chief Justice, you have filled the court with your judges. And the opposition is quiet. And the judges are doing the work of the Ghana. So I got trust now NDC manifesto or the ruling. No. KevinTaylor, be warned and stop stampeding the judiciary. We will not tolerate this nonsense.
On say lawyer dear a woman yina as o mo prom ho was an man ho yet say e show mu tirim say ya bane de e dan ya san krofo bi wo ho a ya be chi omatum enti aya no ma dwen pempi no ma dwen ye o mo say ye de obi kokko to a na ban eni power de asa ni pan automatically as ye de ni tum sana KevinTaylor person o ye no
you
yes because o person o ma judges no pressure from a suro na go say na still na me control we no na cases bebre o before chama want to me case so ade na won list no woja no that cases no no we NDC
no only a contempt of court.
Yes,
a contempt
woni mu mara no
only I say
woni mu mara no
for judge abesi ho na who can say judge ni delay judge no is trying to
wonnim ne etimi qualify obi man be judge
you
wonnim
no
omo wakwa mfa so ye o madwuma
definitely
and say wono wo de wo ye social media activist ya wadwuma na ja law no man lawyers any charges no munye o madwuma
local is in power
because wono wonnim would tell the auto who can I to say and my year Juma Mendisi and I'm going to make NDC some and Tinipa Bia one this man Yabaman appointment so I know one year Juma said the year foot soldiers near pa Yabaman pressure and not KevinTaylor.
You see the I think you see the KevinTaylor and NDC want to reduce our judiciary to NDC branch.
I say
where they think that all the judges all of a sudden should wear NDC spectacles and NDC party color, yeah. and then apply NDC law. It's in once uye NDC no case bapa for 1 day jail for 2 days jail na ye jail anka wo KevinTaylor jail we
adwe wo
ba ya no no why so ofi onim ofi wo for the same ofi aboti bae near the 1 day clear no okay of course we cut clear for contempt no you see I know the no for your count wasam
it's not doing
what I say you say na you cook arrange man wa utumi ba ya na do cut na I for say presidential suit bu na you prepare courtroom awo now ba ya zonati wa ukoye no it is that you see these are the things at times when you allow people irresponsible people KevinTaylor to abuse the legal processor. This is what happens. It's a random book court. Also, judges no. Of course, the way I only contempt about 1 day now. You just and move to me 1 day now. You tell you for 1 day.
And no. What
I say?
And a lawyer says own him. The chair say on say na NDC a war opposition no.
You.
KevinTaylor here na so ye adwuma ama NDC party. You. Na o attack MPP because onya more of issues. Eka ho asem. But so na wo power. And when they insem bi obeka ho. And they said the KevinTaylor be to say that way government sectors no CEOs no ene mpayinfo bi ade o matu ano no omo na obebo o mutuja because he was want to go MPP who was MPP ni power.
That guy KevinTaylor, say buy no. From my reliable sources, no, it was sponsored by the vice president, Nana Jane, but also a Fantini.
Okay.
You know, you didn't buy it to be able, and then they moved him through the system fast. They done the contempt. Now, who say mark it on the wall. When 2026, 27 presidential aspirants in the Bible KevinTaylor will work for Mama Jane. Who says say no? He is attacking as educator. Or Takaya Rubadusu. Obi you tibiano or attack because Mameno Abuano. I'm a point and it is no things say judiciary should be bottom. What ya butri and I will tell judges say and a delay.
Now person maranu be far when I would better Ghana.
No, that's look, Ghana for let me tell you something. Our judges almost so far. Look, our judges are going through a lot of crisis. One, judiciary are paying yet. Number two, they are having problem with issues with security. Our judges know pain and you know security is so a problem, a challenge. Sure, judges be why you change some. Judges be why you room. But if we reliable information, mean I say judge not take need to be case also. You go change in some court. We see okoma bail. Ena timafunu bufu ye no omuri ba bura courtroom no. Ena o balance. We have situation where judges say Johnny F courtroom. Okay, Kumase dey no. Insecurity is number 2. Number 3 crown no judges no. Currently we speak no. Cases no crown no adoso do. Every day people are filing cases. And the judges no be yari. They are going through a lot of stress. Now, maybe share dig one case. Even exams, throw one question. Share brother. Now, also ruling. I ever affect you be that. Now, can be telling him say to imprison somebody, no. If you are judge, I say who could be part. Say who do before who did. You must be very careful. Say the partner who did before who did no. Emra wa fumra. And a lot of the case is better say ube jai 100 people. Let me go free. Tell say obey jail one person, innocent person. Only it's better to free 100 people than to jail one innocent person. It is the judges now what you know criminal cases no. As you don't say they have to make sure say who they pronounce you guilty now quite backed by the evidence. The evidence too have been proven beyond reasonable doubt. Now everything point to the fact say what no. And the law nature say one jailu no, wa jailu. As I judge be free. It's not easy to just jail people. So because the jailing is taking somebody's freedom.
In that of was a Utian common senia qua, according to lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Utian common, even though so no person explaining your ma, but Kamako as a lawyer Maurice Ampaw and a personal graduate, KevinTaylor, into the level of attempted and not den cratching a foot no day ban. But well out of 4 way, any day you go on 10 times so I be a bro. I was decided then I'll J for home. I mean, why didn't you comment to them? Unsubscribe here. May also subscribe like it. Not share watching. I will comment to them. F00l.